Is there a party there? I'm late. Got back.
Someone pick a Vino.
They're massing at 8 p.m. by the way, so they can come
Okay.
from above.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Let's play
Rest of the main ball, just play on 2. So get right beneath 8 pin. Yep. Directly on point 2. Get underneath the fucking table.
Table.
Cap team, I want you to go to point 1, and then Vin's party, I want you also on point 2. You don't have to defend the choke game.
Cap team on point 1.
Yo, you guys have party?
Someone pick this man up. Somebody has to have it.
These boys do. Oh no, they're above us.
They're dropping down. They're dropping down. Pop your defensives. Start popping your defensives when they drop down. Oh, they're on point 8 right now. They're on point 8. Just hold on, wait. Hold on. Just stay on point 2 where you guys are at. And as they drop down, pop your defensives and kill them.
Upper bell proc center 2.
We're stacked in that right corner.
Show.
One noodle.
Show. We'll show off.
Yeah.
Just continue to stay with your parties and clear them out.
Activist.
Yeah, on.
Show back on.
This is Hillcut. What the fuck? I
they're
can't attack.
frozen.
Oh,
Show
someone
almost got
frozen.
Good.
Hillcut now. Or is
Dead.
it dead? Noodle Bob is Hillcut.
We could look
Other
at
side,
stone.
Their bless is out in 1 second. They don't have bless anymore. Switching to
Show on target.
blow or on up. They're a tank, but they're low.
Yeah. I think tanks are last alive right now. All dead. We got some on 6 point.
Go Wubby. Yeah, I'm just kill these tricklers. I'm on it.
Easy.
Ass trigger.
Cool.
Wubby.
Yep. Dead.
I'm just probably gonna end up hot making because hot keying and
You're good.
just calling this now.
I mean, there's not really a whole lot to shot call on this.
Yeah. And just in general, guys, right? If they start massing at 8, right, main ball is just gonna go back to 2. You know, cap team's gonna be on 1. If they start trying to come through the front, I'm gonna put a new pin. Call it pin 9.
It's time to send Flax team to fly to 8 pin, so when they go in, they can come from behind.
If we want to. Yeah. If Flex team wants to go to 8, then they
so
can.
do you guys
Go
want
for
to
it.
like two groups versus their whole guild? You guys, I will watch you guys.
Yeah.
We'll watch them up here.
Only if someone has
Alright,
the
we're gonna
ability to
go.
kill Show on point, because he has like 1300 collision resistance.
Yeah, we're good. We Gucci. Let's get our flex parties to kill their guild. Go. Yep. No, we are not the flex party. We're main ball. We are not a flex party.
You know, there's only one flex team. That's gonna be pretty hard, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be extreme, man. There's like 6 people. They're not complete garbage.
They're grouping at pin 8 again.
Okay.
They're
Everybody
gonna
else knows where
fly
to go.
down from pin 8.
If you guys are not cap team, don't be on point 1.
Okay, they're flying down as.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of them were flying down.
Yo,
Just wait till they get down here, pop your defensives, start doing damage on the ones who do drop down.
just hold your big cooldown. Just poke.
Yeah, just poke, hold your big cooldowns. They can't hit you under the table. Okay.
It's popping
Start
smoke.
popping defensives. Let's go. Pop defensives. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Come on, Nico.
Okay.
Healer. You can target. The switch.
Hold on.
Let's kill that clump. Clump on the left side, or right side, whichever way you're looking. Bob Chin's clump.
No, not you.
Show.
You
kill Noodle.
You pretty much wiped them all. There's
Dead.
nobody up top. That's it.
Bob Chin.
No mid.
Some more support on stone when you can.
Just kill the stone.
Alright.
And one tank frozen.
Okay, I'm gonna let you beat
Do I
target.
send
How do you get up to?
into 8 pin? There's time.
Where's he
left.
at?
Yeah, but if Flex team, if you want, it's up to your discretion. If you want to go to 8 pin, you can. If they start hard engaging on you, just disengage. There's no need to give them the ability to lessen our numbers, right? Do what you can. Play smartly.
Yo, how does he know about that? What the fuck?
I'm gonna actually. No, he's not on there. So. No way.
Azure, I don't think you need a GSS, man.
No, I don't. You know.
Honestly, you could probably just GSS like underneath the stone right here.
No, it's just gonna instantly die.
They're
Just
not
gonna go
doing any
straight.
damage right there. All their DPS are landing on the 2 side.
Yeah, I mean, it's just not a good GSS spot though, because like
Or you can
come
just go
in,
come
die.
GSS down here.
I
on
could
the
GSS
7.
at 4, right? Like pin
Come
4,
GSS
they're not.
right corner of 7.
Yeah.
Like it's out of sight. You can't see it.
You just say fuck it and put it in this fucking overhang right here.
Yeah,
Hey, that's just
if you really want me to drop it, I'll put it somewhere. I'll put it
get some tanks on looking at A2, A5.
Shit hurts. Let me know if you guys see them, by the way.
They're on 8. Flying down, flying down, flying down.
They're flying.
They're coming.
Just pop smoke screens whenever they engage. I'll save mine a little later.
Guild skill. Oh, I can't do that. I'm not a guild thing anymore. The
Oh,
fuck did I
never
do
mind.
it
You
for?
can't even GSS.
Alright, whatever. Don't worry about it. I'm just gonna stay on point. So you don't fucking die.
Flying down.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
Popping smoke on me.
I don't know voices who said that.
Platform Q. Sorry.
Okay.
They GSS. Do you want me to GSS?
Yeah, GSS wherever you want.
Actually, we
Show.
yeah. We could...
You don't need to hold it.
Middle.
Just GSS wherever you want.
I'm KK. Rimuru. Come on, Nico. It's a healer.
Yeah, on him, on him, on him. You can
About to
see
be heal
target. He's T, he's T,
cut
he's
right
T.
now.
He's heal cut. Yep. Hit. Dead. Nice.
I'm on J Cuddy. That'll be heal cut right now. On JMO's location on pin 6.
I'm
or
on
in
him, I'm
between
on him.
6 and 2.
He should be dead. Pretty close to it.
Sky.
Yeah, on Sky. T.
Dropping fire pulls on them.
Activist. This guy's one shot.
Piranha.
Yep. Dead. Skill bop chin. He's T.
There you go.
I'm on Yuri. Very low.
They have a
super low.
they have a summon gate up. Just heads up.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, Yuri.
Switch
Okay.
lane. More people on him.
Yeah.
Yuri.
Heal cut. Dead. We kill Show.
Mm.
Kill him now. We don't have to deal with him later.
Awesome pulls.
Let's go
on
Wubby.
Stone.
Hit Wubby. Heal cut. Dead.
Hey, cute. Just hit show.
I'm on ping pin. He's dead.
It's gonna take me a while to kill Show, bro. He's heal cut.
There you go.
I'm on Chikara, Ravager.
Yeah, it's like the entire game. One
But I can't target him.
There you go.
Nico almost dead. Heal cut. Dead.
I was like, no damage.
I'm on Balkan.
Hell yeah.
Dead. Chikara's bugged.
And that's...
Avion?
Oh, they're still coming down. The fuck. Whatever.
Our
Throwing some
GSS
AoEs
is
on
like
stone.
20 seconds
Mm-hmm.
behind there, so ours will still be up.
Drop down. There's a lot of AoE going on under the thing.
Yep.
Oh, I jumped into fucking Bell Procs. I'm on Bop Chin. Oh, it's a tank.
Mailing left corner.
Oh, yeah, look at left corner. Look at left corner.
Lots of AoE there
I
right now.
got you, Q. I got you.
Someone's scalping.
Yeah, you're good.
Nice.
Their GSS is dead.
I'm on one Sinew. He's a fucking Cordy.
Stone show casting again.
Yeah, on him.
All my CCs are
He's on Stone.
Look at
Yeah,
stone,
I'm
guys.
seeing
Look at stone. Good stone.
Hey, clump at Stone. I'm casting my
Need
AoEs
all
on it.
damage. All damage
Yeah.
on stone.
All my AoEs on stone. So just Show left. Nice.
Alright, just kill Wubby. Oh, we win. That was a lost fight.
You know. Alright, you know. Here's some heals. There you go.
Everyone's healing me good shit. You kept me alive through a spin. I'm pretty squish and Gloss Cannon.
Was that Itchy Taint, right? JMO?
Yeah.
Yeah. They just don't do damage, bro. To be honest with you.
Looks like they're gonna come up from 6, or at least a few are.
Well, they had a Cordy crossbow down there, and he didn't really like kill anyone.
Yeah. They don't do damage.
Yeah, they're gonna come up from 6. They're coming up.
Oh, okay. Hey, tanks, I want you to plug choke 6, please. All right. Need all my tanks. Plug choke 6.
You still on cap group at 1 or at 6?
Soju's group, go ham, dude.
I'm gonna kind of
Get in
play a
there.
little risky. I'm gonna get on this like
Cap team
cubby
go
on
to
the left
point
side.
7. Cap team go to point 7.
Cap team 0.7.
Cap team point 7.
I'm just kind of poking these tanks. I'm not burning any
Yeah.
big cooldowns. Joe's coming up.
I'm on the sealer.
Come on, fall. Fall's fucking squishy for a tank.
Turn around, Q. Turn around, Q. Look at point 7. Look at point 7.
Okay, I'm gonna go around to 2, and I'm gonna cast down on 7.
Azure, call people back to the stone.
Hey guys, come back to the stone. Get back on stone, please. Get back on stone. We need damage on point 7.
About to go down.
Whoa.
It's under control.
I'm on infiltrator. I'm on King Pal. He's
We
by
get on
the stone. I'm
very
backside.
low. Dead.
I'm on. Okay, that's
He's in
simpler.
piss
Fuck
somewhere,
that.
actually.
I'm on Noodle. He's cornered by himself. Prone.
Yeah,
He's
on
dead.
him.
Joe's low. See if we could burn him.
Yep. Dead. Last tank behind stone. Dead.
That was a shitty quarter spin.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. GG.
Everyone, let's do bosses. Let's go.
What do you mean recording is started? Whatever. It doesn't matter.
Boss is not gonna be alive.
Never mind. I lied. He's not here.
I had full faith in you too, bro. I'm gonna fucking lie, dude.
How many more did we have in them? We were at 45. We probably have what, like 5 people appearing offline?
We had 52.
So they had how many? 48?
I know, it felt like 20.
All right, good fight.
Yeah, they were dying quick.
Awesome.